Welcome to our global business news recap and outlook. Today, we're exploring the key economic events and market movements from May 5th to 10th, 2025, and offering insights into what to expect in the coming week. In Geneva, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Chinese Vice Premier Lifeng held their first in-person meeting since the U.S. implemented steep tariffs on Chinese goods, leading to significant retaliatory measures. While no agreement was reached, both parties described the talks as constructive, signaling a potential path forward. Significant progress was made as President Trump and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer struck a trade deal. US tariffs on British cars will drop significantly, and the deal does away with hefty tariffs on steel and aluminum, encouraging a smoother trade flow between the two nations. Global markets reacted favorably to these trade developments. The Dow Jones leaped over 250 points, the Nasdaq advanced by 1.1%, and Bitcoin broke the $100,000 mark as investors adjusted to the evolving trade landscape. The Bank of England has made a strategic move by cutting interest rates from 4.5% to 4.25%, addressing the ongoing economic uncertainties. Over in the United States, the Federal Reserve decided to hold rates steady. However, they issued a caution that new tariffs could potentially lead to a rise in unemployment and inflation. In the corporate world, earnings reports have shed light on the performance of some major players. Paramount Global has reported growth in its streaming sector, but overall revenue took a hit due to the absence of last year's Super Bowl boost. Meanwhile, Warner Bros. Discovery managed to narrow its quarterly losses, despite facing challenges in linear television sales. Toyota, on the other hand, is bracing for a profit decline, citing upcoming tariffs and increasing material costs as key factors. Coinbase has expanded its footprint in the cryptocurrency market by acquiring Deribit, a leading crypto options platform, in a deal valued at approximately $2.9 billion. Over 500 companies are set to announce their quarterly and full-year earnings for the period ending March 31, 2025. Notable firms include Tata Motors, Bharti Airtel, Hindustan Aeronautics, and Cipla. This earnings season is crucial as it can indicate broader economic trends and influence investor sentiment. Key sectors to watch are automotive, telecommunications, aerospace, and pharmaceuticals, driven by these industry giants. That's a wrap on this week's global business news and outlook. Stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Business News Daily for the latest in global economic developments. Your engagement helps us bring more insightful content every week. Thank you for watching.